Opening an account with Taurex is really quick and simple. All we need to do is head over to the website, which is www.tradetaurex.com. Then over here, we want to click Open Account, and that will load up this profile here. So it's going to load you up onto the global.mytaurex.com, which is where you open a profile with us. You want to click your client type, so individual account, your email address, and then your password of choice. Confirm that password as well. You want to select your country residence as well. So for me, it's United Kingdom. And then your phone number and your wallet currency as well. Click register now. And this is going to open your account for you. And it will load up your global Taurex profile. Just like this. Okay, so when you've signed up, your questionnaire will come up straight away where you're going to need to fill in your personal details, your financial information, your declarations, an email validation, and the upload documents as well. It's really, really easy. So for the personal details, it's obviously just the stuff about you, your date of birth, your name, your nationality, your address, and your country of tax residency. And then when you click next, that will take you onto the financial information where you're going to want to put in details about your employment and your financial info. So that's your employment status, your industry that you're in, your occupation, your intended purpose and nature of the transactions. And you just fill this in, as your experience, your annual income, your savings and investment, your source of funds and wealth, your expected deposit amount, and then a little bit about your experience as well. So you just do this to tailor yourself. Click next again. And then the declarations are basically letters that we need to agree to. So if we click this box after we've read them, so I'll show you an example of what they look like. Give them a read and then accept. Confirm you're not a US citizen, over 18, and then click here as well. And click next. Now, filled in the personal details, financial information, and the declarations. When you get to the email validation, just remember, if you click get code here, you're going to get a code which is sent to your email address. It'll be a 3-digit code. And once you do get that code, just type it in here and then click submit. So I've already had that code come through. Click submit. Then your email has been validated. Then all we have to do is upload the necessary documents. Once we upload those documents, if you click continue here, you can see I need to do provide an identity document and also a proof of address as well. You can do that on this device or you can switch to a mobile phone as well. Once you've uploaded those documents, your application will be reviewed for approval. You're going to receive an email notification about your account status within 24 hours of registration. And if you don't see an email, make sure you check your spam or your junk folders. You can always access your client portal to track the status of the required documents and their verification once you've uploaded. And please note that some documents may not be accepted based on your country of residence, and additional documents may be required depending on your application. This will all be clear to you on an email. Now, after uploading my documents, as long as the documents are fine, within 5 minutes, my account was verified and I got an email to say I'm ready to start trading. And that is how you sign up initially with Taurex.